So today little Jake is 2. Well, that's 9 years. And we decided to get him a little carrot cake. Of course, it's not human carrot cake, it's for the dog. So let's see what happens. Hey. Alright, take the wrapping off of it. Ooh. Does that look yummy or what, bud?
Paw. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, bud. Yeah. Is it good? Is it good? He's just gonna lick the frosting off because it tastes like yogurt. He ate the carrot. Alright. Does it taste good? Jake. Does it taste good? It's covered in frosting. Hey, take it easy. Jake. Jake. Which Jake are you talking to? Hey. Hey. Jake. Is that good? Oh, yes. Oh, that's good. Jake. Hey. Look at me. Jake. Jake, is it good? God. Who the hell would have thought?
He hasn't even started the cake part yet.
I don't think he's going to. I bet she's just going to eat all the frosting off and forget about the cake. Look at that mug. It's covered. I just cleaned those floors yesterday, bud.
You got it.
Just gonna flip it over. Look what we can do with it now. Hey, hey, there's more to it.
Who knows?
Oh, look at that big gob of frosting. Hey, Jake. 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 Hey. Hey, look at me, Jake. Jake, bud. Bud. Jake.
Hey.
What the hell is that? She said it was what? Yogurt, buttercream, and honey. No kidding. Hey, Jake. Jake, look at me. Look at me. Hey, hey. Jake. Jake. Is it good? Oh. Did he bite into it yet or no? Oh, no, he just Well, I'm telling you, once that frosting's all gone, he's done with it. He's like, now it's just a piece of sponge, I don't want it. Oh, he bit off a piece. Jake! Hey! 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 Oh man, there's some huge carrot cake sized turds out there.
Take your time with it.
He's like, I want to eat the whole thing, but I just don't know how. Hey, what do you got there? Jake! Happy birthday, buddy!